Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put fuel injector cleaner. First, make sure your vehicle's fuel tank is almost empty. This allows the cleaner to mix more effectively with a fresh tank of gas. Next, choose a reputable fuel injector cleaner. There are many options, so pick one that suits your vehicle's needs. Always read the product's specific instructions, as they can vary slightly between brands. This preparation ensures optimal results for your engine. Once you're ready, open your vehicle's fuel cap. You'll see the opening for your fuel tank. Now, take your chosen fuel injector cleaner and carefully pour the entire contents of the bottle directly into the fuel tank. Be sure to avoid spilling any of the product. After the cleaner is in, securely replace the fuel cap. This simple step ensures the cleaner is properly introduced into your fuel system, ready to work its magic. After adding the cleaner, proceed to fill your fuel tank completely with gasoline. This helps the cleaner mix thoroughly with the fuel. For the best results, drive your vehicle for at least 100 miles. This allows the cleaner to circulate throughout the fuel system, dissolving deposits. You should start to notice improvements in engine performance, smoother idling, and potentially better fuel efficiency as the injectors become cleaner. To maintain your engine's health, consider using fuel injector cleaner every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. This regular maintenance helps prevent future carbon buildup and keeps your fuel system running efficiently. Consistent use can lead to sustained optimal engine performance and fuel economy over time. Remember, a little preventative care goes a long way. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.